Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at a case for your iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it comes to us from Armadillotek. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a case for your iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it comes to us from Armadillotek. This is one of the most rugged cases that you could find at a fair price point. Not as crazy high as like your out of box, and not as cheap feeling as a Poetic Revolution series case. So this is definitely a boss when it comes to protection. Big shout out to Carl for actually sending this out to me. Team 100 is definitely in the building. So military grade protection. So let's just pop this baby out. Simple installation, as you guys can see from here. Got that black on deck. So this is a two-part case here, and as you can see, we got Armadillotek, and you do have the top, and it does have a built-in screen protector. So if you guys don't have a tempered glass, then this will be perfect for you. And you can pop this out just like so. And the best thing about Carl and with Armadillotek is that they send a personalized note to you. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Sincerely, Jeff and Carl. So big shout out to them. And so we have the built-in screen protector. So you do have a nice little flap there. Sorry for the people with the headphones. And on the inside, you do get all that stuff right here. All right. You can pause that and read it for yourself if you want to. Okay. So toss that to the side. So here we have the case itself. We do have a nice little shock absorption pattern. Armadillotek ran designed in Texas, made in China. And we do have a nice little kickstand here that looks pretty sturdy. Alright, just like so, and it snaps into place. Alright, so let's just pop this in, show you what this looks like. I do have a tempered glass on this already, so it will be interesting to see how that works. It seems like it's very close too, though. It's very, very close. So that is pretty good. So let's just pop in the tops, like just like so. And you do a very simple installation here, guys. You got the Vanguard over there. Just close it up just like so. So what do you guys think about the case itself? It's definitely a rugged protection case. The shine does have a nice little gloss to it. I wonder if it will actually go away. Lip protection is definitely on point. And on the front, this thing is really not that heavy as well, though. It's very in between. It's not as heavy as the outer box, and it's not as light as like the Poetic Revolution series case, but this kickstand is definitely clutch if you want to watch movies, so you can put it at all different angles as well. So let me know what you guys think about it. You do have a nice little flap there to protect from any water or any dust. Buttons are extra clicky as well. Got that nice flap there. And I'm definitely impressed with it. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. Make sure I get everything there. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, please hit it with a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Armadillotek cases and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. To the next video, guys. Peace.